everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see about how to add a new package type in Fresa application. Initially, you needed to log into the system, and after your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now go to Masters module. Here we have to choose Pack menu. So these are all the packs that has been already created in the application. If you want to create a new one, then click on create button at the top of the page. Now give the code, enter the pack name. If you have any remarks, then you can type here, or otherwise click on save button. Now the pack has been added to the list. Now go to dashboard. Here we can see the current active shipments as well as current active jobs. You can open any of the job or shipment. There we can find planned container. Just click on add button. Here we can see the package we have added in master. So if we type here rectangular boxes, then it will shown here. So this is how you can add a new pack in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.